You're looking for a pair of speakers with a subwoofer that has RGB colors by double pressing on it, single colors and so forth, and having different types of ring colors that go on like so. This may be something that you are looking for in a speaker system. It's Bluetooth, USB-A, and TRS. And what we're going to do is demonstrate and show you some of the features about the product. Bluedee, speakers and subwoofer for monitors, PCs, computers, smartphones, RGB colors, and more. We're going to open up the package and show you how nicely it is boxed. Inside the box, protected by foam on top and plastic all around. Laid on the side is your user's manual. Go over and how to set up. Pulling out is one of the speakers, protected in plastic. And the second speaker, protected as well with the wiring attached. The subwoofer and power supply. Going over in a closer detail of each of the speakers, please remember to peel off the film on the bottom, so this way when sitting on the table, it has a place to stick on. We have here is the logo, the large speaker, the tweeter, and on the back, a flexible baffle. We have a volume control on one. That's your power on and off by a press. On the subwoofer, we have the RCA plug, the baffle hole, and the speaker covered. We have silicone feet. Please remember to peel off each of the film stickers. Hooking up is as simple as taking the RCA plug to the back of the unit and taking the power cord to the power area and plug into power.
AUX mode. USB mode. Bluetooth mode. AUX mode.
In this demonstration, as we plug in the unit, allowed to turn on.
AUX mode.
We have a low voice telling you certain features of the unit, a rotatable knob, and pressing once or long pressing,
USB mode.
USB mode,
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. And pressing on the buttons, you could change the colors of the ring lights. Bluetooth mode, look for SK, connected, and play your music.
Think Verizon, the best 5G network, is expensive? Think again. Bring in your AT&T or T-Mobile bill to a Verizon store today and we'll give you a better deal. Now, what to do with your unwanted bills?
The volume could be turned up for extreme loudness to lowness. We are only allowed to show certain types of audio, and we're going to show some string instruments here. We'll play a guitar for you. Hooking up to your system through the monitor with the TRS cable, a USB-A to the computer, as well as a USB-C port by pulling off firmly to the USB-C connection. You're able to plug into your PC with the TRS cable securely for listening to music if you have audible output. As well on the side, a USB-A output by plugging into the computer and plugging in the USB-C. With built-in memory of last recall, we are able to plug in the unit and softly tells us Bluetooth mode and we're ready to use. We're hooked up to the smartphone. So you're able to play just about anything, songs, your YouTube, TikTok, music off of a computer, and more. These are just some of the examples you can use with your Bluetooth speaker for your gaming room, your computer room, by the TV, in the kitchen, anywhere that you want to have music off of a smartphone, a laptop, a monitor, and more. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for. A counterclockwise circle, double tapping to turn it off and on, single colors,
Disconnected.
and disconnecting the unit by Bluetooth.